Hi everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unbagging from a company called biggestcraft.com. They are a site that specializes in cross-stitching projects and other type of needlework projects and accessories. So they reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to review some of their items. They let me pick it out on their website. I said, sure, I'd love to do that. I am a cross stitcher. And I'm going to show you my project that I'm currently almost finished with. I've been working on it for a really long time, unfortunately, but I am almost finished with this. This is my latest cross stitch on the back stitch part of it. And it was funny, I saw this very same kit at biggestcraft.com website when I was looking around for some stuff to choose. So yeah, I kind of like the smaller projects because, well, like I said, it takes me forever to do it because I'm not consistent, but I am almost done. But I did I did choose a project in here that's much bigger, and hopefully it's something I can get done before Halloween, and you'll see why. Okay, let me stop blabbing and show you everything I chose. I will also, on the screen, put the pricing. Very good pricing, and I do have a code for $2 off with Jan2. I'll give you the details down below, but there might be a better deal, truthfully, on their website. I think they're showing 20% off. That's probably better than $2 off. So, and it's free ship if you purchase at least $49 worth of stuff, but it comes in a regular bag. Here's everything I received. I'm just going to go off the top one first. I chose a pair of scissors. Who can't use an extra pair of scissors? And they had different designs like this, different colors, and I chose black, but they had it in silver and gold and different, antique-y looking designs. And okay, let me struggle with the package for another 10 minutes. I'm just gonna they taped it up quite well. Me and packages. Let me take out the scissors. Okay, there we go. So it's kind of like, now that I'm looking at it, it's like a blackish gray. I just thought they were really pretty, and I believe they're only $5, and they're sharp. So this is going to be my cross stitch scissors. That's the first thing I chose. And I chose this. I've seen these before. They're numbered. There's 3 of them. The first one's numbered 1 through 34. Really cool picture on it. Then 35 through 89. Again, really cool picture. Then, what did I say? 35 through 68, then 69 through 102. So this is where you would put your threads. So I'm going to use these. I'm going to try it with my next project, but when I show you some of these projects, you have to make a decision on how you're going to track your threads. So let's go through the first project, and you'll see what I mean. This is the biggest one I got. Let me take it out of the bag. Where is the bag? It's a Halloween one. And I love Halloween. I love decorating for Halloween. This is the project. You can see that. So the picture on the website is a lot better. And they give you everything. So this one is quite large. I have never done a cross stitch this large. You get all your threads. So what I was talking about, this is actually numbered. So this would be perfect for these. There's 32 threads, and I can actually keep them on one of these skeins. Oh no, I can't. I have to use 2 because this goes through 30, so I'd have to use 2 off of this one. Anyway, these are the colors. If you know anything about cross stitch, you're either gonna use usually 2 threads out of here. There's 6 in each long string. You have to separate them. Usually 2 is the standard. And then maybe like 1 for back stitching and stuff like that. This is the project. It's hard to tell. There we go. There we go. This is the project. It's huge. I would have to work on this consistently every day. So what I mean about tracking the numbers, they do have them numbered. The number corresponds to a symbol, which is over here, which corresponds what color you're going to use. And then they also have it tracking by another number. Maybe that is the universal number, like for this purple 327. I'm not really sure. But I normally track by color. The first number I'll track it by, and then the symbol. So this is not too bad. There's only 20 colors in this one, but this project will, you know, if we're in June now, I would have to religiously work on this daily if I was even going to think about finishing this by September or October. And they also give the guide here as well. So there's plenty of places to look on how to figure out what color to use for what section. So that is the first project. And then I got 2 smaller ones, which are, I like these bags much better. It's more of a project bag, Ziploc. I don't know why that one came the way it did, just did. I'm telling you, there's thousands and thousands of projects on their website. The directions are on the bag in English. And then here's the project. It's kind of like the size of what I'm working on currently. Very doable. You also have the guide here, which I find very hard to read. So they also have a guide in here, and this is what I'll be using. So this one you track by letter, and so letters and numbers. So this is a mixture. So some of the symbols are numbers. It goes up to 1 through 9 and then 0, and then they switch to the alphabet. So I had to use both because there's 33 different colors. So I understand why they use a mixture of numbers and letters. And it's very easy to follow on this one as well. Yeah, very easy. I believe this one, they should have marked what it is, the size, but this looks like 11 count 8 o'clock. And I know it's listed somewhere, and maybe it's listed on the website. Oh no, it says it right here, 14 count. That's always really important to know your count. And I forgot to show you. Here's the threads, and every project also comes with a needle. So this would be, again, to use that thread organizer would be really helpful. And then this is the last project. Again, it comes in a Ziploc bag. You have your directions, you know, if you need some help on, you know, how to cross stitch, what's the mechanics of it. And this is also 14 count, but I just wanted to show you the picture. It's really lovely. And for this particular one, they had different seasons. So this looks like winter. They also had spring, summer, and fall. So if you're really ambitious, you can do a seasonal one. Again, this is, I would say, mid-size. This is like the medium Mama Bear, baby Mama Bear, and the big Papa Bear one I got. This is the medium size. And they have the symbols here on the side, but for me, this is where I'm gonna use as my guide for the colors and the associated. This is also a mixture of numbers and letters. You have your threads. There's 28 different colors and your needle. So again, this website had tons of projects to choose from. So go check it out. I will leave the link down below. The pricing is great. They do have 20% off right now on their site. But if you want $2 off, you can use my code. We'll figure out which one is better. My code is good for a year, I believe. And I really thank Better Craft for sending me these things for my review. And I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.